What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. Today is the day I get to reveal the surprise vehicle that I bought. Next Will It Run series. Hopefully my next daily driver. Let's check it out. Y'all ready? I know I sure am. Let's go. Alright, there she is. She has just been washed. Most of the dirt and grime has been eliminated. As y'all seen from the picture, it was pretty damn dirty. Came with these rock stars, but unfortunately one of them is messed up pretty bad. The bed is quite solid. All the glass is good. This is the roughest side, but nothing major. Y'all can see, I mean, it's a pretty good truck. I know I'm definitely ready to get started on it. It's got an aftermarket, good wrench, crate 350 engine in it. We're about to check that out here in a second. Let's take a look on the inside. The seat is quite worn out. The brakes do work, so that is awesome. It is four-wheel drive. And the dash gauges is very fogged up, unfortunately. The back of the seat, or the top, whatever, ain't too bad. Headliner is gone, which I'm not worried about. We have a crack here in the windshield, and the dash is pretty well cooked. I mean, it does get hot down south, and this here is a Georgia truck, so I'm sure it got quite hot. It is the Cheyenne. Not bad though. Nice inlay on the door panels. Like I said, I mean, it's quite solid. No rust in the rockers, the door, or the cab corners, whatever. The floors is good and solid. Dirty, but solid. And we're going to clean that out and go from there. Let's take a look under the hood. Alright, so the typical Chevy hoods, they're wanting to bend right here on both sides. So I'm having to be really careful. As you can see, this one's already cracked. So it is what it is. Not much I can do about that, but cut out and weld a piece of metal in to sturdy it up. But here is the aftermarket good wrench 350. Has the quadra junk on it. Missing the battery, so that means, yeah, you guessed it, I'm charging my crappy ass batteries up so I can try to attempt to crank it. It is missing the belt, one of the belts. Like I said, the brakes do work, but that's it. Think we can get her to run? I sure hope so. I bought this from Wrenching in the Woods. You can find him at WITW Performance on YouTube. I'll also link his phone number in the description below. Y'all can be sure to check him out. He can hook you up with a sweet old ride. That's what he does. Wheels and deals on cars. I've bought many from him and I've never been disappointed. We even still have the jack. That's cool. Let's check the oil. Alright, there's the oil. Nice and dark, but at least it's got oil in it. So that's always a plus. If I can get it back in. It's always a pain doing this one-handed, but I got a feeling for y'all, you know. But anyways, I'm clean out the front here and get back with y'all and show y'all the finished product on the inside and check it out some more. Alright, she cleaned up good, about the best I can get it. I'm thinking a blanket or something over the seat bottom there, but overall not bad. Get a good look at this side. Yeah, that's it. I did find some spark plugs. I don't know if they go to this truck or not, but we're gonna try and see if she'll crank. Alright, y'all. Charged up a different battery, because that one wouldn't take a charge no matter what. So let's put a little bit of gas in here. See if she's gonna fire up. Here we go. First start, and at least 10 years from what the tag says anyways. Let's see. Here we go. Oh yeah. She's thirsty for some gas, but since the fuel tank is empty, let's fill it up. And once we get that filled up, give it a go. See if we can get it to idle. That's awesome though. I think we got something here. Alright, catch y'all in a second. Alright. Put about 1.5 gallons into the tank. Let's keep trying to crank it till hopefully we build up some air pressure and suck the fuel up to the pump. See what happens. It'd be nice to get this joker to idle. Almost. Battery's almost dead again. Damn. Try that again. Oh. Joker sounds good. Well, the battery's dead, but at least we know it does run, so we can resume with that tomorrow. We're going to charge up this battery and go from there. But that's awesome. We did get to hear it run on the first day having it here. Like I said, 77, 4-wheel drive, good wrench, 350. All right, what's going on, y'all? Day 2. Still working on the old Chevy. So I just filled up the bowl with some gas. Let's see if we can get it to idle. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. There it is, huh? Well, at least we got to hear it run and it idles. That's awesome. Still not getting fuel up to the carburetor from the tank yet, so I don't really know what to do there. So I don't know, I might try priming up the fuel pump, or I don't know, may just have to get a whole new fuel pump diagram or diaphragm, whatever might be bad in it. So I guess that's what we're going to do next, get a fuel pump on it, see if we can get it to pull from the tank, and go from there. Maybe try and drive it down the road, who knows. But anyways, that's where I'm going to leave it today. I am satisfied that we got the old 77 Chevy K20 4x4 to run and idle. That's awesome. So if you want to see more progress on it, be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Really helps me out a lot. All right, thank y'all. Be blessed.